Welcome to Design Tech Academy. First time when you open your CATIA, it's look like this. So, for use and make some drawings, you have to choose your workspace. So, go on Start menu, then choose Mechanical Design, then Sketcher. It shows three planes: XY plane, YZ plane, and ZX plane. By press on planes, you can sketch in this plane, or you can choose from here. Click on plane, then choose sketch option. Now you have some tools on your screen, but from where you get your required tools. You have space on here and here. Right click on, then choose your needed toolbar. You can also insert from Insert Toolbar, Profiles toolbar here to sketch something on your screen. I am doing work with the profile, and you have Profile toolbar here. It's a profile toolbar which have first command is profile. Profile command is a continuous line segment in which you can make lines continuously. If you want to leave the command, you must choose this select option, or you can press escape from your keyboard. When you take command from profile toolbar, you get some option in sketch tools which shows first point in horizontal and vertical. These are the coordinates, and you can make a line from the coordinates also, and you can define some length angle from this sketch tool. When I give a point on a screen, it shows endpoint options: horizontal, vertical, and the length and the angle. If I fill the length 50, enter, then the line is 50 mm. If you fill also the angle, then it defines your angle in which you want to make this line, and you can give the direction by the help of mouse. Now the line segment is continuous, so you can fill the all option to continue make the line. If you want more line, then you can give more length, angle, and vertical and horizontal coordinates also. To leave the command, press select option, then you can leave this. For the zoom and zoom out, you have to press middle button of mouse, then right click and release right click, then you get the option to zoom out and zoom in. To drag the screen, press middle button of mouse, then shift the screen. The second option in profile toolbar is predefined profile. These have many options. First is rectangle. Rectangle have four sides, and you have some coordinates for the rectangle. In this rectangle you have to give dimension for first corner and second corner only. When you press rectangle, the sketcher tool shows the coordinates for horizontal and vertical. You can fill directly coordinates for first corner, and then you can also choose second points for second corner. You can also fill width and height for the rectangle. If you want to fill the values, then press tab from the keyboard. You can get addition mode in sketcher tool. Width is 100 and height is 50, and you can get this rectangle. The second command in predefined profile is oriented rectangle. For this you have to give first point, second point, then third. You can say that it's a 3-point rectangle also, first, second and third. You can make by the coordinate or other values from sketcher tool. Predefined profile is parallelogram. In parallelogram, two lines in opposite side is always parallel. The next is elongated hole. You have to fill the straight length, then the radius for this elongated hole. The all option you can take from sketcher option, in which you can fill radius, first point, horizontal and vertical, and length or angle also. The next option is cylindrical elongated hole. When you choose a point in a screen, then it's create a imaginary circle, then you make a imaginary arc, then you fill a radius to make this circle and elongated hole also. All the dimension you can fill by sketcher toolbar. Next option is keyhole. Give the length for the keyhole, then the radius for bottom portion of keyhole, then the radius is for top portion of keyhole. You can fill all the dimension by sketch tool option also. The next option is hexagon. Hexagon have 6 sides. Give a center point, then the distance from its center. Next option is centered rectangle. Centered rectangle, which starts from center of this rectangle, and all the dimensions you can fill from the sketch tool option. The next option is centered parallelogram. This is the rectangle which start from the intersect point of two lines, and the center of new rectangle is the intersect point of two lines. Means you can watch again. I have this line and this line which is intersecting at here. Then I take a command, then choose first line, then second line. Now the center is this for rectangle, and the all length you can give in sketch 2.